Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Airtel MasterCard that you can use for online transactions. Guys, what you need is to come to your phone or dial pad. Guys, you dial *185# then call. You'll come to financial services 7, then you will come to Airtel Money MasterCard 9. After that you will select option 1, get a card. Guys, as you see, virtual MasterCard charge that plus 15%. What you need is to insert your pin right here. After guys inserting your pin, you'll be able to create an Airtel MasterCard. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe. Come to my channel right here. Come right here on YouTube. I'll show you. Come right here and search for Android version VG. It's right here. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Guys, and thanks for watching. Check out the recent videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by saying out. Peace.